Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can share someone straight to your feed on Instagram. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now, tap on the arrow icon under the post you wanna post to your Instagram feed. After that, you can find post to feed option. Tap on it. Next, select the next button and then tap on share. And that's it. This is how you can share a thread on your Instagram post. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.